In this video, I'll show you how you can publish your Lovable app into Apple App Store. So it's pretty simple, just follow my steps. So first step is to open your project, which you want to publish. Then click on Publish button in top right corner and make sure your site is published. Then click on this copy URL. So you need to copy your URL. Then go to Google and search for any site that can convert your web app into native app. So you can choose from many sites. I'm going to choose median.co, open it, and from here paste your URL, then click build your app. Now from here you can name your app. So let's say test. And this is your URL. Click start building my app now. So click on this. This will start building your app. You can choose your app icon here. So for example, I'm going to choose this picture and I'm going to save. And as you can see, this is how app icon is going to look like. So once your app is loaded, you can click to start. Click on the display of the phone and this will load your preview. As you can see, this is my Lovable site. You can scroll through it and also try if it is working. So I'm going to click on sign in to subscribe. And as you can see, I need to sign in, so it's working. Now what you can do is scroll and you need to click on this download button. And from here, to be able to convert it to Apple App Store, you need to download this iOS file. And to do that, you need to click on this configure signing. And from here, you need to connect your Apple App Store through API key. So click on manage connections. And from here, you can add your ID or key ID. And then once you have your account connected, once you have your file downloaded, so I'm going to show you, for example, I will download iOS source code. I'm going to click on build. This will start building your code. Then you can click download and you will do same with this iOS file. I'm going to click on download and it will start downloading your iOS source code. So once you have your iOS file, then once you have your file, you need to go to developer.apple.com, and from here you need to create your developer account if you don't have one, and then you need to just upload your file here, and then once Apple reviews it, we are going to be able to publish it on Apple App Store. So that's it. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.